Welcome back guys. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you some of Instagram's tips and tricks which you may not know, but you should definitely give them a try. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first tip or trick, as you may see it, is basically if you want to see someone's story without letting them know or without showing your account sign onto the story viewer account. So for doing this, you have to download an external app which is known as Story Downloader. I will provide the link for the same in the description down below. After downloading the app, you may see there are two sections known as following and story. So for viewing the story, you go to the story section and you click on the person you want to see the story of. After clicking, you can either see their post, story or IGTV videos as well. Either view the story and you can either save the story. For saving the story, you just click the download option given at the top of the window and the story will be downloaded. In the perspective of the person who have posted the story, he or she will not see your account into the story viewer. Like as you may see, there are 0%. The next one is pretty amazing. Basically, if you upload a music onto a post or a video, you cannot download it further and you cannot also post it on another social media website. So basically, first of all, what you have to do, you just have to search the music you're looking for. Like I'm searching for Yummy, so I'm searching for YUMMY Yummy, and there it is. Then click on the song. After clicking on the song, basically post the lyrics or the cover art you want onto the post you are posting. Then upload it and post it in your story. When the story has been posted, just open the Story Downloader app and then after opening it, just search for your account and download the post you have posted on your story. The download button is on the top right corner and that's it. Now you can post the video onto other social media website as well, like WhatsApp. Click on the video and now you can either post it in WhatsApp or other social media. So for the next one, you will need to download the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. I will provide the link in the description down below. After downloading and setting up the keyboard, you just have to open your Instagram and click a random picture of anything you may like. Then click on the A button and then click on the emoji button, then click on the pin button on the keyboard. There you will see a little camera icon, click on that and then your gallery will be opened. Now you can add as many as photos you can want into your story, like I'm doing here. There's no basic limit. You can either add 4, 5 or 6, as many as you may like. You simply have to just click the emoji button, then pin button and then the camera button. And then your gallery will open and just click on the picture you want and then add it on your story. It's as simple and it also adds some dimensions and it's unique. For the next step, you have to download the Threads app, which is officially made by Instagram. This app helps you to make your custom status on your Instagram. So for this, you have to open the app, then you have to add an emoji, like I am searching for the emoji. So you can either use the custom emojis like happy, bored, driving, or you can either make your custom ones. So I have made a custom one here. This may provide a new look for your Instagram. Before it always used to say active now, but now it's saying pooping. So now if you don't want that, you can either delete it and add a custom one or either the stock one. So for example, now the next one, let's say dope. My new active status has been uploaded as dope. This activity status can also be shown onto your profile. So for this, like I have selected happy, then you go to your profile, refresh it 2 or 3 times and after refreshing it, you may see your activity status on your profile as well. So for the next one, click a random picture of anything, then click on the GIF mode and search for diamond. After searching for diamond, click on this specified diamond which I am showing here, this one. After selecting it, spread it to full screen. After spreading it, click on the save button and save it. After saving it, click on discard, then open your story again and click on the save video which you have saved just right now. Then click on the draw tool and then click on the thin brush, click on the color you want and press for 2 seconds. Then click on the eraser tool and erase the background as the type of font you may like. This provides a new and unique gradient font to your stories, and it also looks very unique and stylish. So for the next one, open your stories, select a random picture and type anything you may like I'm typing here, everything is nothing. After typing so, select the whole font, click select all, then click on the color tools and press the color and slide the select all bar and slide it from left to right. This provides a rainbow effect to the font and it looks very cool and catchy towards the eye. Now let me give you another example. I'm typing life is worth living. Select the whole font, click the color gradient and swipe it from left to right, and it's done. For the last one, select a random picture from a gallery. After selecting, click the A button and type full stop and then press the space bar 10 to 12 times and then again click full stop. Then click the A button and select the color of the bar you want. Then spread it and adjust it according to your preference. Let me give you another example. Click the dot, press space 10 to 14 times or 15 times, press full stop again, click the A button, select the color of the bar as you may like I'm doing yellow, then click done. After that you just have to spread it and place it on top of your photo as you may like. So these were my Instagram tips and tricks of 2020 and I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your suggestions, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, peace out, stay safe, stay happy.